Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we learn how to make Chinese pumpkin porridge. It's an easy and sweet recipe. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 115 gram pumpkin for this porridge. Remove the seeds of the pumpkin. Then peel it and use water to wash it. Then cut into smaller pieces. Then save them for later. Now we can start to cook this Chinese pumpkin porridge. Wash 100 grams of rice. And then put them into the pots. Then pumpkin 1500 ml water into the pots. Use bigger fire to boil them. After the water has boiled, use a small fire to cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, use a spoon to press the pumpkin chunks into the puree. Then use a small fire to cook it for 15 minutes. After that, we got the delicious pumpkin porridge. Pumpkin porridge is the most suitable porridge for autumn. It can nourish the stomach with simple cooking. Hope you can try at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.